Honorable Young Chini from Naidi Chini Kalimaram Paisa Paya. Come to Pai. Barkia Tau Chini, and I hope Reang will Pai Me Pai Chini. DJDC Young Chini from Naidi Chini. Doli Madam, go Paisa Paya. Chini volunteers, volunteers. Pai and I hope Reang will Pai Me Pai One Power.
Sehingga contoh jadi yang Mahathir, Malaysia Chairman.
South and Comitte, TRP and PTG Department, Honorable Chairman, Chini Civil Society ni President and Secretary, Chini Somas ni Chaudhry Rao, Chini SDM Sahab, Chini ADM, respected officer Chini Comitte District ni, abingga Chini Joto distinguished guests Chini Rao Pai Mai Pai Nai. Joto taku corona khaka hamia phayo Chini Honorable President Chini Mkhuyou Press Club ni mule maya bungporo present tungo Joto officials inke Chini public ro jara bo satung hor dik tuma bo ro phaye Chini bo pandanom chawri moni bo pandang khaka hamia phayo Tini bo Kalajhari festival bo si kholphe sning kaha 27 years is not a few months or few minutes or few years. 27 years. We had just crossed silver jubilee Thang. 27 years of war. Tinibo condition body kuya to motila. I'm not happy. Chini within a limited fund, just 50,000 rupees is being placed for Kalajhari festival in Omarpur subdivision through ICA department. I appreciate the hard work and the initiative of the administration under the leadership of our SDM Sahab, Omarpur, and our BDO. How much they can do within this limited fund? 50,000 is just you go to Korbok or Omarpur or Agartala, go to the shopping mall. Ekta duita sarir damo hoy na. Kintu aske 50 kom taka dia officer koto tu korbo. Ei je jol tol, sajano, moncho, box, ei sob. Aske 27 years. So I request the concerned department, the minister ase, arektu ei bishoita niya to think over it and place some more fund on this special Kalajhari festival, so that in the next coming year we can celebrate it in a very grand manner. Tini being 27 years kaya thangpo maximum Russia. Kalajhari babropi kaya pa sinais kroy. Ang elected ng paimon ya guo ang nung wahe joton bari invite kaya. Pare korbo wahe invite kaya pia. Are Kalajhari festival Kalajhari ba bataw siya moyo singkek mambo festival ro ke ber enang pi. Ay ko kaya ba say. Mambo ber enang pi I objected. Aro joro jaga oninya je jaga taw siya moy bro ong je jaga particular place ni boya bo holiday gusana ngo ba abo festival gusana abo jaga se keke se. Public will come to know why this Kalajhari festival is being declared as festival officially. Public sinai abong kese. Abo da urosa ket nang ye. Abo ke chung bu shutau te khom de keke saya. Abo pana tini bo social media nim sio. Aine job to brudo fa especially. Kalajhari festival is not only the festival of this particular region. This Tausiha Moin is the asset of our Tripura state. It is the asset of the entire community of the state. We should work unitedly with a proper plan so that we can make it much more beautiful and bring attraction of the tourists, and also to invite the people of bring the particular center to put an eye on it, so that the government of Tripura, the public of this locality, they can earn something out of this. Apa se cuma kenai? Tini 27 years ka thampo lama se choreograph ko rose tini monchos kroi. There is not even a single chair. Tini public bro achok nai. Tini chair kroi ma kroi. Mami khema ya officer obviously they want to perform. they want to do it in a grand way, but ini financial limited placement omoni karono bro mchupo khemaya. Ang pano tinio ang samchuo bo particular department tak ha bonus naik nawo from ICA department who is representing? Anyone is representing here today? Who is there? Asa assistant director sahab, ami apna knowledge se ansi. Ei je Kalajhari festival, it has got lot of meaning, especially the Reang community. We have got a special attachment. In 1630, the number of families they settled in this on the top of this hill. Unfortunately, there was a war between the Mizos and the Reang. So people they had to flee away from this region, and they settled in this Lebachara, Notun Bazar, this Kawamara, all this entire region. Today we know this Lebachara as Lebachara Panchayat, but there is a history behind this. It is called Lewa Bazar. The history lies hidden today. So this is a very much important for the Reang community, especially in particular. Therefore, I request and I bring to your knowledge, please pass this message to the Honorable Minister, whoever is holding the department in charge, to place some more fund for this festival. And I request the Honorable Minister and to you, this festival cannot be shifted here and there. Today 27 years has been passed, but how many of us know that Moin, where is Moin located, and why this Kalajhari festival is being announced by the government of Tripura? What is the importance behind this? No one knows. Therefore, if government takes the decision, then the importance and the decision should be publicized and the public should come to know. So otherwise it is a wastage of money, it is a wastage of time for all of us. So please be seated. This I'm just reminding. Abo pando chung rongo sudur official ni sampo thapya chung public hisabe chung phen nawo. Tiniro Chini Sutanto Chaudhary Chini Honorable Minister phaine tongose. I have written a letter to our Honorable Minister Sri Sutanto Chaudhary on 2nd of May 2025. Taklani 2 tarik mewang bunochi thirio. I was expecting if he comes, we will have a cup of tea and chit chat and share about this, the importance of festival and the importance of this range. Tini bini busy schedule mani karon pin tre program mani ba pando tini minister phaimaya. Arbo phaya tomona hamka. Phaya tomona hamuya angkama imoke tini asu arrangement hamya. Tini ro public kroi. Tini ekjon minister agortola ne phainai. Chini baya phainai mani karona phainai. Chung public ko present ya buno saine nangnai. Chung sain ke minister sinai. Abo ke bra bono serious unilaye bono samtaunai. Ke chung minister phaye MLA ro phaye tre phaye officer asu ke sauta ye chini public kroi. Tamero khma chung no chung interest kroi mo chung wa ta kurang pro. Ang ba ye tinio bo civil society ba bo enter pahar puni bro chini honorable MLA Ranjit Das kahama ke sanya tha bini Vidhan Sabha klaya. Apon bum sauta ye tungo even Mukhyamantri knowledge of bungtna hai bungpa sab minister ni knowledge of bungtna hi sao. Amo pandaro wa pahar puni bro ini bibino po pahar por division omurpur division andaro jara klai tungnai rao joto no po tung sisro re nei nawo chung phai nei nawo chung sai le nei nawo chung palo nei nawo ari akhle chung maunai ke ha portion of bro sai tungnai trek bama bo bono importance ya bono sai anke chung jibono success khemaya ar bo je festival tini 27 bo songi tha boro jago amchu phai ya orang prang ma khemai nai amchu bor jago bo 50 step ya kala mun thai selfie point arba 50 ni selfie point saka gotre nai thai jaga glass work chotu dike ungtho chini bruni raikcha raisoni mukti hoi daram ke chini 12 5 ni mukti ungtho tre churok maunu ang pam chuo even wo gas on by banglo khem chuo public toilet khem chuo tre bangma display ang khem chuo khum bagan khem chuo mchu mole tongo power senango power to nai nang nai power tong kharang tong nai ta kurang kurang abo ke jeni im khau chu mo jinis nanu implement khemai nai abo paya abo ne ba pandawo bahas serole himaya nung pop edisi tong pani khemaya edisi tong ang khemaya jang mai mo jora ang khemai nai mai mo ne bada khemaya na panase jang mai mo ne jora wa jemo ta pahar puni 1949 no establish mo pahar puni jini school abo english medium school auron hogora ro bai salai pai pore wo jini honorable chief minister bang pastari jono thangmale ha malai pai mani ek sapta nimsio honorable chief minister ang sahasar bono english medium khedi ar higher secondary jora upgrade khedi bungkheri ha bono within 12 of ek sapta nimsi bo notification kari abo pandang chini honorable chief minister ba hambai mario ari ke chini bo asu elaka tormang chini english medium school kroi chung omo purma thango no barama to make hostel facility to pa bro ri pai maya khop su ni pe mam pha chakri khane to pa se hand to mouth family khu ba ha ba ke ke chung ma che yang to mo chak ma khak lu phai ke ma che yang to mo jaga wa nim san omot por agor tola ko inung no barat de bro phungnai chung phung maya ta koram ko abo panda bo omot pun ji pahar pun school no english medium kidi class 12 jara pore memo nosi kho to ye ber mai te chai pore mai mo khedi hiang chi business na no saye bung ai ni ko grand khye tini bo pahar pun ni bro no bo haye job to bo somosto division ni bro no haye no bon english medium ke ha plus class 12 jara upgrade ke ha bo ke chung saye mai mo ma jinis abo tang sai pho ang sang be po ong ya bo jini roni honor local ni je guardian mla bung po sau the nang nai je concern doctor bukte department borom le ne nang nai bro ni knowledge bo chung ta ne nang nai abo pandawa tinio ang samchu motel thang jang officer no bo sanai I would like to request our SDM and especially video chini video to transfer ong toy he has served for more than 3 years it is an official system one day or the other the officers has to get transfer abo chung chue khala rung ko maya abo system omoni ba pandawa video bung onek chesta kya যখন 2021 when I came for election camping there was no road only foot track I had to come ওই উপরে পন্ত আট হাতি আইতে লাগে এরপরে যে সরার দিকে থ্রু দ্য ওয়াটার we have to come আজকে এখানে ব্রিক সলি হইছে আমিও আমার অনারেবল এমএলএ কে ধন্যবাদ জানাই এন্ড স্পেশালি ভিডিও ব্রো সাউথ মনি কারণ জানি এটা প্রপার হইছে না তবে at least something is being done something is better than nothing তিনি at least ব্রিক সলি লেনওয়া so together chung tre ma sau thai nai tre na pho ma sai nai chung pho ma sa nai plus officer po samong ma ta nai robo chung black topping khede nang nai proper mapping khede nang nai research one nang nai chung bit proper plan ong ye chung sai ke se chung mai nai ta krom kro thanai ni bosio last year also even I have told it is not your fault civil society not based on civil society as a community I have asked them to apply for a patta on the hilltop the surface land should be allotted for community patta our SDM sahab said yes madam I will do it but the proposal has to go from the community but they have not done it no abo khayata community patta ni mo apo SDM yes imbuko se even I met our DM the former DM Toret Kanti sahab he said yes madam let them approach through SDM they were ready to give aro jaga was pani drawback nuha chini society ni bro apono south and kan tini ek bosor pass nge tha chu patta maya community ni mo jo kono patta mai nai nu aro officially ma sajai ne chu sajai mayo ar ke pass forest land aro jago chu silayo o jam prabu sosio nu mo sosio jang jak samajam sak mauye to seme pon nau nu abo nang samchuya ami abo pa ang tini ro society ni bro nang ka bunai pahar puni bro no abo sudu pahar puni bro ni ba pandaya ajang gonda sura tonai pong to Jambo kalamati sai tonai pong to joto ni sompot se abo banda abo community patta ni mo abo immediately apply kheni ungto and I request SDM sab to look into it for the issuing of a community patta abo ma khenai inke bo jaga wo it has to go through proper planning for whether it is for roadway or food trekking what do we want to do on the hill surface abo it has to go properly so kindly videos are before you get transfer I am very much thankful I am thanking you in front of social media. You have cooperated so much. You have dedicated yourself. You have done lots for the public. You have not done for politics. You have done for the public. You have done your duty. I am thankful to you for that. আমরা সব সময় এমএলএ এর লগেও আমরা আলোচনা করতাম আমরা ভিডিও আমরা এসডিএম সবাই পাবলিকের জন্য কাজ করে they have done their duties they have helped us in implementing government schemes so I am thank you abo pandawo borono chung angtre ha samsumale chung balai tulai onglai amani khiye tiri jotoni mani ba panabo chung festival ma ke boni uklau trek bangma kau tungo chung achu ye wa su kok ma salainai chung kau cha laina chung tang phu cha phu moi le chuna bole ka khop maya tui khop mo phomaya tini harpu taro hon ke chung ya grabai ma tunai ya grabai glass tunai debrai mairang tunai arak sa su nung lainai holang ai ri bo chung sale krang ke chung sale abo kem samo bi paya taule chung ma chung slai nei sei Chini nahe mungma mung loha ma tung nai se uklo lai thama pa phung lai tha chung 27 years uklo pa phung lai tha chung ma ba change ti me ko chung slai muti me ko ta kurang kro amo pandawo bis ka ni mung loha na nahe chung ya pri kang ke se ya hinke body khana chung tung nai ta kurang kro am yang sam chu chung slai mu de te bi nai na uklo de te chung slai tha na ba se chin kha ko chung proshno tui sa nai nang nai ami Trewaiha ang jot official na hambai rie Chini civil society enter paharpuni bro roti krokmani bro Chini honorable MLA jotoro public representative donero no kha kaham hambaya phaiye airo kawro no kathari nai chomori chakhe buraja cha jori se chomori chakhe taklenchi muhasule khenai ai ti to time kore kha arpono chomori chakhe raja chale kine ata chomori chakhe bo January mansi inchi yo muhasu ang khenai bo sai ni mai amalang ni khenai ni ang doli riang le no ni nang khumo panang nai ari kham chumo ko bro ni ki ha to ne nang nai si ta prong ami bo so nang kok saha khak saha jotono thank you very much to all the officials for organizing this event but our festival in a very successful manner jotono hambai jotono hamake tinta cham saunai nai lady khak saha jotono